Hey y'all, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I'm back with another video. So today I just wanted to hold on one second, y'all. Okay, y'all, so today I just wanted to do a video all about hair. And if y'all wondering, it's still the same Kendra's Boutique hair. Yes, it's been about 3 months. I like this hair, so it's gonna stay in, okay, for 3 months. I usually take my sew-ins out at about two months. I usually take my sew-ins out, but I've been busy. I done started a new job, so this hair gonna stay in, okay? Now, if you all haven't seen the get ready with me of this hair, of me doing my hair like this and getting my makeup like this, then make sure you all tune into that video so that you can all catch this slay, catch this look, honey. So today I just wanted to discuss hair with you all, like hair, period. Everything about hair. Not everything. That'll be a long video. I wanted to just talk a little bit about hair with you all. The first thing I want to talk about is choosing great hair companies. Now, that is a toss-up, you guys. It really is. I don't know why I'm looking at myself instead of looking at the little thing. Okay, so that is really a toss-up, you guys, choosing great hair. You really have to do your research when it comes to choosing a great hair company. And what I mean by that is using YouTube is a great way to do your research on some good hair companies. Instagram, word of mouth, asking friends, have you heard about this hair? Cousin, mama, daddy, sister, asking them, have they tried this hair out? And how is it? Was it worth it? And everything is not going to work for everybody. Just because somebody else liked the hair doesn't necessarily mean you're going to like the hair. I feel like every company has its bad batches of hair. And so in regards to that, you just have to be careful about who you order hair from, especially when you're spending a lot of money. So for instance, with this Kendra's Boutique hair, so some people were saying that they heard mixed reviews about this hair, and trust me, y'all, this hair it cost me a coin or two, okay, or three. And I definitely had done my research about this hair. I don't just say, oh, that hair look nice. I don't watch one person's video and say, oh, that hair looks nice, let me order that hair. No, I'm going to binge watch. I don't mean watching 1 or 2 videos. I'm going to binge watch videos to make sure that what I'm putting my money into is going to be worth it. So when you're looking at reviews, you want to check and see how much money they spent on it. You want to check and see where the length's true to length. So if it was a 24-inch, was it really a 24-inch or not a 20-inch? You want to check and see if the hair is, you really can't tell if the hair is soft or not, of course, because they're in the video. You don't know. They only telling you that it's soft because they're touching it, or it's not soft because they're touching it. So you really don't know about that. But another thing is, a lot of YouTubers get on here and they have sponsorships, and they order hair from all of these companies that are you know, little side companies that sell some junky hair, some janky hair. Now, not all of those companies are janky hair, but make sure you look in the comment section, y'all. That's another great thing. When you're watching YouTubers videos on hair, make sure that you're looking at the comment section. Especially if it's a sponsored video. See what has anybody else tried the hair. See, has anybody else liked the hair, how they experience, what was their experience with the hair, and if you're going to like it. And that's another great way to see if you're going to like hair, because a lot of YouTubers just get on here. Like one YouTuber, I ain't gonna say no names, but one YouTuber I watch, I literally, and their channel is, because it's her and her girlfriend, it's her channel is not even about hair, but on every single video she does like a 2-minute review on hair. And I promise y'all, every single company that sends her hair, she be like, this hair's so soft, it's so cute, it's so this, it's so that, giving you all the specs of the hair. Listen, ain't no hair that perfect that just is perfect. Ain't no hair that perfect that is perfect. Yes. Okay, all hair has its pros and its cons. Now, the cons should definitely not outweigh the pros, but you ain't gonna get on here every day and tell me every hair company you done tried was just the awesome jawsome. No. I didn't mean to say that, y'all. That's okay. You're not gonna get out here every day and tell me that every hair company you tried was just awesome. Like, sis, no. Every hair you tried was not awesome. Every hair company you tried was not the best. Let's be real. And I don't have some janky hair. I don't want to call no names. I don't want to mess up anybody's business, because this is still someone who's actually a popular hair company. She's based right out of Atlanta as well, and she's a popular hair company. A lot of people liked her, but when I got her hair, I did not like it. It wasn't trash, but I didn't like it. It just wasn't for me. And even some of my favorite hair companies, Style Pro, what's this girl that's in my head? Her in my head, that company, they have its cons as well. So I just haven't experienced the perfect hair company. No, I haven't tried all hair companies, and I don't plan to try. I'm not going to ever try all hair companies. I'm open to trying new hair companies, because who knows, it might be somewhere out there that's better than Kendra's Boutique or Style Pro Kendra P. I don't know, okay, because I haven't tried. I just rather stick with those hair companies because I know that there are good companies. Now, another thing that I want to say about hair, guys, I know I have a lot of videos where I'm putting like a lot of heat tools in my hair. Listen, if you a natural sister soldier, power to the sister, girl, okay? You a natural sister, more power to you, okay? But my hair is my hair, and your hair is your hair, okay? So don't ever come for me and tell me I'm putting too much heat on my hair, I'm doing too much of this to my hair, too much, because I spent money on this weave, okay? Okay? And I can do whatever I want to maintain it. Now, my hair underneath, I do plan on getting into lace closures and frontals, because I do want to stop having to put so much heat on my hair. But just because you put heat on your hair don't mean your hair is damaged, because my leave out is good. My leave out is great, okay? It's still full, it's still laying, and it still get thick and full after I wash it. So my leave out is fine. My natural hair underneath my sew-in is fine. Also, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all see my hair again when I take this time. I think y'all seen my hair on one of my other videos. Those of you who watched that video, y'all seen my hair on that video of what my natural hair looked like. And somebody asked me, y'all, and I know I'm just going all over the place with this conversation, y'all, but this video is centered around hair. So if I'm jumping around in specs, then I'm just jumping around, because I just wanted to talk about hair. And another thing about my natural hair, guys, in one of my most popular video on my YouTube channel was my blending my leave out tutorial, and someone made a comment of the product, one of the products that I used didn't do jack for her. And I'm just gonna say that the same thing as I stated earlier, not everything works for everyone, okay? And also, ladies and gents, if you're watching, what you have to be mindful of is your natural hair. When you're blending it in with these sew-ins, you can't be putting product on some dirty ass hair. Like, if you got hair, if your leave-out already got some conditioner in it, some leave-in, some oil from last year on it, and damn, some dandruff and some other debris and dirt in it, of course the product is not gonna do what it needs to do. You need to really freshly wash your hair to see how good a product works with your hair. Your hair really needs to be freshly washed to see how good it's going to work. Your hair, it needs to be freshly washed to get the ultimate slayage of your hair. Now, my hair don't always come out like this after like 2 weeks of me wearing my hair like this. If I haven't washed my hair, it's not gonna always look like this. My hair only looks shiny and bouncy and full right after I wash my hair, and then it lasts for up to it really can last for about 2 weeks, but if I go in and I like keep manipulating it almost every 2 or 3 days, it doesn't, it's still nice, okay, it still looks pretty, but it doesn't look as pretty as it does those first few days of me freshly styling it. Going back to products not working for you, you have to test out. I'm never going to tell you to go spend your money on something that didn't work for me. I'm gonna always keep it real on my channel, always. So if any hair companies are watching and you know you got some boo-boo hair, you think you're gonna send it to me, I'm gonna always keep it real. If your hair is trash, I'm going to let everyone know that, hey, this ain't no good hair, okay? Now I'm just gonna keep it real with my sisters. I'm not gonna call them my supporters or nothing like that, even though y'all support my channel and I thank y'all, but y'all my sisters. I love y'all, okay? And I want to keep it real with them. So if a product does not work for me, if some hair doesn't work for me, I'm going to let you all know what does and what doesn't work for me. Now, just because it works for me or just because it blended my leave out really good doesn't mean it's necessarily going to blend yours the best. You have to go through trial and error, and that's what I did. And that's just like me taking my sewing out and trying to do a wash and go, but looking at somebody do another wash and go and thinking I'm going to use the exact same product she used and thinking my wash and go is going to come out like hers. First of all, everybody's hair is different. I don't care all about that type 4, type 5, type C, type 4Z hair. Listen. Okay, everybody's hair is different. You have to go through trial and error. You have to spend a little bit of money. I know everybody don't want to spend a little bit of money, but you got to spend a little money, okay? And see what works for you, because I've tried products that other people have used that just didn't do crap for me, okay? And I've tried products that I've seen other people use that's done wonders for me. So you just have to see what works for you, ladies. Be mindful, ladies and gents, about how much of the product you use. I use some serums in my videos and I use some wax sticks in my videos. Please close my door. And I use some wax sticks in my videos. Anyways, I use some wax sticks in my videos, and the wax sticks, the most of the product that I use on my leave out are heavier products. Meaning I use a heavier product on my leave out is because my hair is my natural hair and it's kinky. So I need a heavier product to make my hair lay and blend in with my weave. But when it comes to my weave, I use lighter products, lightweight serums, and I use a little tiny bit of those serums. And the reason that I wanted to bring that up, you guys, because some people be like, oh, don't use too much of serums or don't use oils, period. It's okay to use oil. I like to use oil. I personally love it. Now, you can always just freshly wash your hair and just, if you got a good flat iron, it'll get your hair bone silky straight. If you got a good wand curl or whatever you're trying to do with your hair, it'll get your hair super fleeky. But I just like to, that's just my personal preference, to go in with a serum or a lightweight oil so that my hair can be shiny and maintains its luster, especially if you're going to be going outside in any humidity. You want your hair to stay frizz-free, okay? And that's why I choose to use serums. But be mindful of how much you use, because if you use too much, it's going to do the total opposite of what you're trying to get it to do. It's going to be very, very stiff, and it's not going to move at all. Your hair going to be stiff as hell. It's going to look like somebody's 10-year-old wig. So make sure you be mindful of how much product you use when you're using these products, guys. And also, going back to making sure that you freshly wash your hair. When you're washing your hair, I bring this up all the time in a lot of my videos. Make sure that you are cleaning your hair very thoroughly. I always say in my videos as well, make sure that you shampoo your hair 2 times when you're washing your hair, just so you can make sure that you have any buildup all out of your hair. And then once you go into condition your hair, make sure that you wash your conditioner out. Make sure that you wash it out really, really good, because if you don't, that can make your hair really, really stiff and really, really greasy. And if you're going for any type of slayage, it ain't gonna be right, especially if you're taking it to a stylist. Because I know the stylists in Atlanta, they like to talk about people. and they talk about you on Instagram. Okay, so you don't want nobody talking about you, your stylist, if you do your hair at home. I personally do my hair at home because I ain't got time for it. I ain't got time to be sending nobody shop, waiting on you to set me up on a dry leave. Forget I'm up on the dry because you talking to your cousin over there trying to get her hair done, and I ain't got time for that. So I personally like to do my own hair. Okay, and I hope if you all have been watching my videos, you all have learned how to do some styles yourself so that you won't have to always spend that extra coin. And I've saved myself a lot of money because I've went to salons and spent so much money, guys. I'm talking about like $150, and I know some stylists charge way more, especially for frontals. Some stylists charge up to $3 something for frontals, which is absolutely ridiculous, especially for a hairstyle that's going to need maintenance constantly, and that means you're going to have to keep paying on top of that $3 something almost every 2 or 3 weeks. So y'all, do your hair. Long story short, do your hair. Learn how to do your hair at home, okay? Stylists gonna tell you you're wrong. Don't be watching no YouTube video. They be trying to come for us YouTubers. Stylists be like, you was at home watching YouTube. That's why your hair look. Listen, you was at home trying to save your ass some money. That's why, okay? Save you some money. But if you really don't know what you're doing, don't go out looking a mess, sis. Go on to a stylist if you know you don't know what you're doing. Now, if you ain't got no patience, go on to a stylist. But, anyways, y'all, I know this conversation was all over the place, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about hair, guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Share in my comment section with me what else you want to see on my videos. My videos are all centered around the beauty part of life, okay? I just love everything hair. I love everything makeup. So yeah. But y'all let me know in my comment section what else you want to see on my channel, and also let me know about some good hair companies that you tried or some good products that you use. I'm always open for some new products, you know. Don't forget to tune into the video, guys, again on how I got this full look hair and makeup. Tune into that video. Yeah, let me stop ranting because if y'all made it to the end of this video, I love y'all. Give me a 5. Matter of fact, comment down in the comment section if you made it to the end of the video. I love you all so much, and I will see you again in my next video. Love you all.